It's so cute.
Shredder.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Stop, boy. Not my eyes. Shredder, my eyes.
If this friendly bear comes from any movie, it must be a cartoon.
Ooh.
They are having a good time as if they have reunited with a long-lost dear friend, just like children.
It's all payback.
Dolphins can also be incredibly romantic at times. They are intelligent anyway.
What are you doing, Ozzy? He damn well on my day. What you got there, Dad?
Believe me, most animals won't hesitate to respond when you express love to them. This guy could be a really well-paid cleaner with that skill. Not all cute cats are small, right? Their heads are almost equal.
You're a freak.
He might be quite a big boy, but deep inside, that simple soul still craves a lot of hugs.
So, you want me to feed you like a baby? This is ridiculous.
This little seal understands quite a bit about human civilization.
I love you. I trust you. I love you. And I love you.
Look at how excited it is. Boy must have waited all day for that. Their friendship is like a warm flame in the midst of this snowstorm. Making friends with Hippo is one of the most unbelievable things I've ever seen. Wild animals are like this, only with the ones they cherish. Proud these moments. This hat promises to sell like hotcakes at the zoos.
He's so happy.
Froya might not be the most cool wolf, but that doesn't matter.
Me baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
His daily work is for sure no longer boring. He seems not very skilled yet, but it's likely to make things happen soon.
No, that's my headband! What are you doing? That's my headband. I have to have that for work. What are you doing? I need that. You have it. Thank you.
No matter how many fur it has, such warm pets are still needed.
You're the butthead. You're the butthead.
As the Earth keeps spinning, soulmates will find each other eventually. It's not just by chance that they are considered intelligent. He's a true comedian. This peaceful scenery is like a dream come true for any animal lover out there.
They only go to you if you have. You making? Ah, y'all trying to make. Ooh, she like you.
The basic guide on how to wake up in the happiest state. Maybe he doesn't even understand what he's hearing and just wants kisses. Each animal species has its own way of expressing love. Let's explore it. Lady Giraffe must have such sweet kisses with those lips. That moment, he has been healed from the inside out. There is animal having such simple love language.
Hát gyerekek nálunk is járnak a hormányosok manikűröshöz.
Joe might not know that deers are sensitive to humans, so that must be love.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Who said only dogs and cats can be clingy? Look at this lively little one.
You're hungry. Hey, Lori. What are you doing? Hey. Oh, nice.
There are times we only want to lean our heads on loved ones. It seems like her love isn't just reserved for one anymore.
Hey there, what's your name? Maybe want to be my buddy? I would love to be your buddy. Want to be mine?
Took me a few seconds to realize who she pets. You see the sheep on the ground, but it's actually on cloud 9. What happens when a couple shares their first kiss?
Ito, kiyasin.
From his body, can we guess how much it enjoys that? That must be so warm in winter, like an extra shirt layer.
Austin, Where did you get that thing from? Why did you bring a possum home? Can you tell me?
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.